Alright y'all, so today I'm making the video that you guys been wanting. I get all the time like people, fuck, bitch, I fucked up. Alright y'all, so today I'm making the video that a lot of you guys been wanting me to make for a while. I get asked all the time, who am I tuned by? What have I done to my car? All types of shit. Well, I'm showing you guys a 600 horsepower Scat today. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I've done to it. I'm probably not gonna give you my tuner if I'm being honest. I'm D1 gatekeeper.
Damn shorty, this wasn't even on purpose, man. Damn shorty, damn shorty. Damn shorty.
Alright, so don't mind the engine bay. You know, we a little dirty up over here. Quick explanation on this. Old one fell, burnt off on the gaskets, had to replace it. Love. Okay, anyway. Replace the head gaskets, Texas Speed. Did the Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. I got a Demon fuel pump. I am catless. Mid muffler delete. What else? E85, so Hellcat injectors. And a proper tune. And once again, I'm not giving up the tune. D1 gatekeeper, baby.
If y'all don't get y'all shit properly tuned, your shit. Whole lot of engine blows and shit and motherfucking all type.
Little chops, nothing crazy. It's not like a crazy chop can. We'll definitely probably add some flames in, but not around over here because police are over.
Because they don't like our kind over here, brother.
That's really all I did to it, honestly. Like I said, the main thing is like you can have good parts, but the biggest thing is the tuner. The tuner has to know what they're doing. You know, they have to know the timing of the cam and everything like that. It's not just plug and play parts. You know, if it was that simple, I'm sure a lot more people would do it. But yeah, the biggest thing is just learning how to tune and clean these air filters. I don't know what's going on over here. Fuck, bro. Also did upgrade the radiator. This is a 3-row radiator because if you do have the stock radiator on a bigger cam, you will find that your car starts to, it could overheat or it could just run a lot higher temperatures. I was running into an overheating issue, so I had to go ahead and replace that. And then for shit that like doesn't matter, that's not like engine wise, I mean, you know, put the little badge on it. Got the RGB headlights, of course. I did get these rims on it. Still gotta get the 6 piston, but you know, slowly but surely. And then I did put the SRT leather interior. It did come stock cloth. Hey, it's a little dirty, don't mind it, you know what I'm saying? I was a little unprepared, just wanted to get the content out. Did change the door panels, once again, dirty, don't mind them. I got a couple bird shit on it, but I heard bird shit is good luck. They didn't go to the wash. That's it, man. If y'all got any questions, I mean, hit the IG, subscribe to the YouTube, like the video, comment what you want to see next. Just a quick video for y'all, not very long, just explaining the shit I done in my car. Oh, matter of fact, one more thing. Don't talk about my chinless car, bro. Like, this bitch is hard. It's a drift scat. Drift hell scat, you know what I'm saying? Like, this bitch is a monster. But no, man, like, I did that shit myself. If I'm being honest, if you know who Bad Activist is, I mean, he kind of inspired it. You know, I was driving on the highway one day after just buying like 2 bumpers this month, having the whole car repainted, and I'd be damned if I was gonna buy another bumper. 3 bumpers in 1 month is crazy. So at that point, I just took advantage of it. I was like, fuck it. I used to tell my friends all the time how I wanted to cut it. They'd be like, yeah, but it's a perfectly good bumper, and they were right. So when opportunity came, fuck it. I just cut that bitch myself. And been dogging ever since.
Love.
The rest is history. Love.
Oh yeah. It's super. On the slicks.
What up, guys?
What's going on?
See you in a minute. How you been?
Oh, pretty good.
That's good, man. I want to post this car so bad on my YouTube. They still be shooting the big ass flames and shit?
No, I won't shoot no.
Why? You got something else done to it?
Oh, no, I'm getting ready to, actually, I'm having the motor taken out.
What are you going to do with
I
it?
bought another motor, and I'm going from a 2-port to a 6-port. And they going to bore it out with a 322.
What do you all have done to it?
Pushing about, on the dyno, it's supposed to be right around 850.
Damn. Is that to the wheel?
Yeah. Drive shaft, I blew them motherfuckers up because it was just wouldn't hold the power, bro.
Man, let's go. Yeah, I remember seeing you like a long time ago. I didn't want to step by like last time. You guys drove past me, you shot a badass flame, and you was like, you want to race? I'm like, fuck no. Hell no, I'm not racing that shit.
Then I got this done.
the feds and shit. Looking at the vet and shit, staring us down and shit.